So today we got in a package from one of you guys. This package right here, from my understanding, it is a laptop, and this is what the customer wrote. It's like external monitor works. Internal display non-functional. Sent to Lenovo services, they quoted over $1,000 to replace monitor / cable. Not acceptable, see what you can do. This is for the Lenovo Yoga 9i. So let's take a look and see what we have here. Well packaged, I'm a big fan of the packaging. This is probably Lenovo's packaging. Okay, I know this model, and these models are pretty expensive to repair. So it looks like he's having a screen related issue. Let's go ahead and turn this guy on. Oh, is it already on? Oh, it's on. Caps lock is on and shows light, but there's nothing on the screen. And I don't see any cracks or damage on the screen. How did this happen? I can already say. So this right here is the bezel, and you can probably tell there's a tiny gap on the left side, and right here on the right side there is that bezel overlapping right here. So I'm going to assume he sent it out to Lenovo, they opened it and confirmed. Yeah, you see it's coming right off. He took it off and then just put it back on. Now before I even start on this, the screen is kind of lifting on the right side. Yeah, I'm gonna assume Lenovo opened it up and tested that it needed a screen. But let's go ahead and test and make sure that it does actually work on an HDMI before we even start on this. Okay, so I have an adapter right here. We're gonna go ahead and connect it to a monitor. And you're just gonna have to take my word and see if it actually turns on or not, if it displays anything on the monitor. Well, the monitor is on. Oh, it is displaying. I wonder. I believe if you hold the D letter as you boot a computer on, it does a display test on itself. That's weird. These computers don't usually just go bad on their own. Yeah, nothing is displaying. That sucks. Likely he needs a new display. If Lenovo quoted him over $1,000, that's telling me that these displays are pretty expensive. So let's go ahead and just take a quick look and see how much a display like this guy would cost. Okay, so it seems like there's multiple different types of screen for this model. So what I'm gonna do here is first I'm gonna remove the screen, and then we can tell what screen I need to get for him. There are a few screws down here. Nice, just pop the screen. Oh, okay, relatively easy. Let's take a look at the cable. Oh, there's quite a few cables. Oh, look at that. There's a lot going on the back. I see why they would charge a little bit more. Let's go ahead and take off the screen. And then there's all this right here. Screen is removed. Okay, I'm not a big fan of this concept already, because this screen comes with all of this. I would have to move to the new screen. It's the camera. It's an unusual concept, but here's the serial number. Let's take a look. All right, so we went ahead and double checked this screen. Lenovo is charging an arm and a leg for this customer. I'm not too sure why. The cost of these screens are about $250, and they're charging this customer a little bit more than $1,000 for this repair. So was it $800 for labor? I kind of find that insane. I've ordered a screen just right now. It should be coming here in the next few days, and we'll pick up this video when the screen comes in. So the screen came in. About a week later, we just got it in today, and we're gonna go ahead and finalize this repair. Hopefully this should resolve his issue. So this is the new screen. And in addition to that, this needs to be moved onto here. And then we also have to move this tiny board right here. So let's get that started. Okay, this has very light adhesive. Okay, that's good. And then let's remove this cable. Just like that. Perfect. Okay, that looks perfect. Let's put this black tape back where it was. Again, we have yet to test if this screen actually works. I do want to plug in all the cables before I finalize. Okay, lastly, we just need to move this cable along with these two boards onto this guy. This comes off really easily. I think the other place that he took it to, or Lenovo, they just took this off easily and the adhesive is not on it right. It's just not supposed to come off this easy. Now that we're done here, we're gonna put this guy aside. Let's install it just how it was. I may have to install my own adhesive. Yeah, I do have to install my own adhesive. We'll add it right here. Perfect. Yeah, it looks very good. Okay, let's install it. Okay, perfect. All the cables are in place correctly. Just need to make sure everything fits as expected. It looks good. Everything fitting as expected here. Perfect. Let's screw these last screws and turn it on and see what happens. Now, I doubt that there's any charge on this computer, so I may need to charge it first. Okay, here we go, moment of truth. We say Bismillah and we turn on. Oh, we got it. Let's go. All right, so we've finalized this repair. Screen is fully working and everything seems to be fully functional. So, thank you for sending this repair over here at InstaFix, and if you had any questions, do let us know. And if you guys want to also send any repairs, look down in the bio. Our address is there. Find our website for any mail-in repairs, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.